How to make protein and fiber-packed mung bean sprout in 3 simple steps. 100 grams of mung beans have 30 grams of proteins. 100 grams of mung beans have 16 grams of dietary fibers. Mung beans are packed with vitamins and minerals. They are a must for diabetic and vegetarians. Sprouting beans reduces carbohydrate content and further enhances protein content and dietary fibers. Here are 3 simple steps to make amazing mung bean sprouts. Soak beans in water for at least 24 hours. Strain water and let mung beans stay moist for another 24 hours. Enjoy amazing sprouted mung beans. Mung bean sprouts are a culinary vegetable grown by sprouting mung beans. They can be grown by placing and watering the sprouted beans in the shade until the hypocotyls grow long. The mung bean was domesticated in India. Mung batter is used to make crepes named pesarattu in Andhra Pradesh, India, and pancakes named bindiadik in Korea. Cultivated mung beans later spread from India to China and Southeast Asia. Hashtags food, mung bean, sprout, protein, fiber. How to make protein and fiber-packed mung bean sprout in 3 simple steps.